Hello friends, welcome to English with Richly. இந்த வீடியோல Essential Grammar in Use bookல உள்ள Unit 9 I have and I have got பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். I, we, you, they have, he, she, it has. I, we, you, they have got, he, she, it has got. I have blue eyes or I have got blue eyes. Tom has two sisters or Tom has got two sisters. Our car has 4 doors or our car has got 4 doors. Sarah isn't feeling well, she has a headache or she has got a headache. They like animals, they have a horse, 3 dogs and 6 cats. Or they have got a horse, 3 dogs and 6 cats. I don't have, I haven't got. நெகட்டிவ் எழுதும்போது ஹாவுக்கு ஐ டோன்ட் ஹாவ்னு சொல்லுவோம், நான் வைத்திருக்கவில்லை. ஹாவ் காட்டுக்கு ஐ ஹாவன்ட் காட்னு எழுதுவோம். யூ கேன் சே ஐ டோன்ட் ஹாவ், யூ டோன்ட் ஹாவ், we don't have, they don't have, she doesn't have, he doesn't have, it doesn't have. I haven't got, you haven't got, we haven't got, they haven't got, she hasn't got, he hasn't got, it hasn't got. I don't have a car. நான் கார் ஒன்று வைத்திருக்கவில்லை. Or I haven't got a car. They don't have any children or they haven't got any children. It is a nice house but it doesn't have a garden or it hasn't got a garden. Amy doesn't have a job at the moment or Amy hasn't got a job at the moment. Do you have you got? Question ஆக்கும்போது helping verb முன்னுக்கு வரும். Haveக்கு do you have gotக்கு have you got. You can say do I have, do you have, do we have, do they have. Does she have, does he have, does it have. Have I got, have you got, have we got, have they got. Has he got, has she got, has it got. Do you have a camera? No, I don't. Or have you got a camera? No, I haven't. Does Kellen have a car? Yes, she does. Has Kellen got a car? Yes, she has. What kind of car does she have? Or what kind of car has she got? How many children do they have? Or how many children have they got? Write these sentences with got. The meaning is the same. They have 2 children. They have got 2 children. She doesn't have a key. She hasn't got a key. Have வச்சு கொஸ்டின் இருக்குது, நாங்கள் have got வச்சு அதே மாதிரி சேம் மீனிங்கோட சென்டென்ஸ் எழுதணும். தேர்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் he has a new job. He has got a new job. Do you have an umbrella? Have you got an umbrella? We have a lot of work to do. We have got a lot of work to do. I don't have your phone number. I haven't got your phone number. Does your father have a car? Has your father got a car? How much money do we have? How much money have we got? Write these sentences with do, does, don't, doesn't. The meaning is the same. Have you got any money? Do you have any money? I haven't got many clothes. I don't have many clothes. Has Tom got a brother? Does Tom have a brother? How many children have they got? How many children do they have? Have you got any questions? Do you have any questions? Sam hasn't got a job. Sam doesn't have a job. Read the questions and answers, then write sentences about Mark. Have you got a car? No. He hasn't got a car. Have you got a bike? Yes, he has got a bike. Have you got a dog? No, he hasn't got a dog. Have you got a mobile phone? Yes, he has got a mobile phone. Have you got a watch? No, he hasn't got a watch. Have you got any brothers or sisters? Yes, 2 brothers and a sister. Yes, he has got 2 brothers and a sister. What about you? Write sentences with I have got or I haven't got a dog. I have got a dog. A bike. I have got a bike. Brother and sister. I have got a sister. Complete the sentences. Use have, has, don't have or doesn't have. First sentence. Sarah doesn't have a car. She goes everywhere by bike. They like animals. They have 3 dogs and 2 cats. Charles isn't happy. He has a lot of problems. Charles isn't happy. He has a lot of problems. They are always busy. They dash much free time. They are always busy. They don't have much free time. What's wrong? I dash something in my eyes. What's wrong? I have something in my eyes. Where's my pen? I don't know. I dash it. Where's my pen? I don't know. I don't have it. Amy wants to go to the concert, but she dashes a ticket. Amy wants to go to the concert, but she doesn't have a ticket. Complete the sentences. Use have got or has got or haven't got or hasn't got with. I'm not feeling very well. I have got a headache. Everybody likes Tom. He has got a lot of friends. She can't open the door. She dash. She can't open the door. She hasn't got a key. Quick, we dash. Quick, we haven't got much time. Insect dash. An insect has got 6 legs. I'm unemployed. I dash. I'm unemployed. I haven't got a job. Thank you.